worry about the birching now. Anyway, this is the outside.
It has already stopped.
So first, you open it, like push it down. Oh, yeah, up and down, and you open it. And then you're gonna take this and then pull it out. I always put this back in.
You have to put it in on the on position. Now that's how you pull a fire alarm. But this is not high voltage. I know what I'm doing, guys. That thing is completely off anyway. So the air conditioner is not open. Now we are going to show you how to use a conventional pull station.
Now I am kind of silly, so we're gonna do this a little quickly. Now here's another fire alarm. So that's the first one. Now here's another fire alarm. You might see these in public, in schools, anywhere. Well, except in your house. Well, unless you have like, you know, a $1 billion house, whatever.
$1 billion house will have those.
Yeah, I don't care. So then you're gonna, you know, push, pull down.
Okay, go. Escape route. Okay, squeeze through. Oh my God. We're Are we out of the house?
I'm so freezing cold. Oh my God.
Yeah, we'll have to wait until it's all clear. All clear. All clear. All clear. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Bye, everyone.